Hey again, guys, and welcome back. I've got an interesting one for you today. ICStation, back in, I think it was November, contacted me and asked me if I wanted to look at any of their stuff, and I said, yeah, absolutely. Actually, if you go to the website, their stuff's pretty awesome. I requested a few things, but I don't remember what it was, so yeah. Now about 5 months later, because they had forgotten to send it and something about probably COVID related stuff, I'm guessing. Yeah, I have this in my hands, so let's check what's inside. It says 1 quantity electronic module, and I can't read these things. $10 Canadian. But yeah, I think I had requested like kits so I can do live streams again, but I'm not sure. Ooh. Hello. Okay. Digital instrument. Oh. Some sort of board. Oh, wow. This is... The thing is, I don't actually remember what I had asked and what they had suggested. Ooh, certainly seems like kits. Well now, I guess we're gonna have to take a look at these things one by one. Settle in. I guess we'll start here. This digital instrument. Oh, digital thermometer. Box is a little worse for wear, but don't forget, it was in an envelope. It's got a thermocouple, very likely K-type. Yeah, K-type. And, oh, instruction manual completely in Chinese, okay. And yeah, this takes the pokey bit type of probes. Wow. Right off the bat, this thing is extremely cheaply made. It's like dirty. Okay. 2 AAA batteries. We're gonna have to get that. But like, the case is like, huh. It's like really, let's see if I can put it in the light. This thing is built fairly cheap. Let me get some batteries, take a look. Okay, so I had to turn my shop upside down to find some AAAs because it seems like I'm out of them. I actually stole them from another multimeter, so yeah, hope you appreciate this. It is pretty late at night right now, so that's why I cannot go get some. But here it goes. Ooh, this is quite crusty. Now this is $6 US, and for $6 US you can't expect too much in terms of quality, but you can expect something in terms of functionality, because if it doesn't work, what's the point of even buying it? So here is the probe. Alright, and it's got a little button at the end there. Shove this in here. Oh, there's a positive and negative. Doesn't seem to matter which way on this. I'll flip it around after. Yeah, oh well. On. Ooh, the display is quite nice. 20.8 degrees. Is that accurate? I have no idea. Let's check this one here, degrees C. Oops. Degrees C, I said. This one says 16. Okay, 17-ish. And my thermometer down here says 19. Okay. Good to know. Also, in a recent mailbag, I got this pokey probe here. And this one has this end on it too. So I'm going to try this one. that looks like it's backwards. Okay, flip it around. There we go, 19.4. I've actually wanted to test, see if the thermocouple is in the end of this. Yes, it is. Look at that. You know what? The build quality leaves a lot to be desired, but the display is so nice and visible. This is definitely going to get some use, and especially because it's the only device I have with the little pokey end here. Yeah. Wow. This thing is awesome. On to the next one. Next one up is this one, which is also $6. I actually had to go onto the website to check out what this was, because I thought it was just, it looks like either a buck converter or a boost converter or something like that. But this is an MPPT solar charge controller. And that's amazing because I've got a little solar panel that I bought from Banggood that soon enough will be sunny enough for me to go test out. And Banggood has sent me another one, which is coming in the future when it's sunny enough. So I'll have two different panels, two different MPPT controllers to try. But that's awesome. This guy has a settable output voltage and output current. And it has like an adjuster here for MPPT. I have to do a lot more research on this thing because there's not much documentation available. But if you guys want to see this, well, you're going to have to be subscribed. If you want to see it as early as possible, then let me know in the comments below. But yeah, so basically an MPPT controller means maximum power point tracking because solar panels output a maximum current and a maximum voltage, but those numbers are not at the same, like the max voltage will never give you the max current and the max current will never give you the max voltage. This thing varies the amount of load you're putting on the solar panel in order to maximize the output wattage, and wattage being voltage times current. So it'll find the proper voltage to get the maximum current out, which is pretty awesome. I'm really interested in solar projects. A long-term goal of the channel will be to become 100% solar panel powered. That is nowhere near close to happening yet, but I do see a future where everything I do in my shop here is just powered off a big bank of batteries recharged by the sun. And that includes 3D printing, by the way. So anyways, if you want to see this, make sure you are subscribed. On to the next one. Next one up is another, actually this is $5, not $6. Little module here. This one, oh, it's kind of stuck to the bag. This one here is a temperature controller. So let me explain. You put VCC and ground in here, and you have a set temperature. Usually you can set it if it goes above or below, but whatever you set it to, when your temperature crosses that threshold, it opens up this little, or it closes this relay. So I see the KO, K1, that must be the switching contacts for the relay. And then these two are the VCC and ground in. And I think, yeah, so you just power that. You got a little probe here. Oh wow, these wires are stiff. So you got a little temperature probe. And this is useful for doing things like, I don't know, turning on a fan when something gets too hot. So you would put this probe, and this is supposed to be waterproof as well. So you'd put this probe, let's say on our water cooling loop, for example. You would, glue this to the radiator. Once the radiator hits a certain temperature, the fans come on, temperature drops, and then the fans come off. So basically to only have cooling when you need it, and vice versa. This relay, since it's a relay, it's a physical switch, it could be to turn on a heater, for example. So let's say your aquarium water goes down to 20 degrees, then the heater turns on, brings temperature up, heater turns off, temperature comes down. So you save energy like that. your aquarium heater already has that built in, but that's besides the point. The point is you can do your DIY projects like that. So let's try to power this up. I have my benchtop power supply here. And we're going to set the voltage 12 volts. We're going to set the current probably to 1 amp. Get my trusty screwdriver here. So VCC and ground. Now I'm just assuming this is 12 volts because this relay here has a 12 volt coil on it. And of course you can switch higher voltages than 12 volts. Typically the voltage is, the switch contacts are completely isolated from the other side, but that's trusting someone else's board design, and I haven't even inspected this. I literally just took it out of the package. So you might be good for mains voltage, but who knows? Couldn't tell you. Okay, and mind you, this is me just playing with it for the first time. Okay, so here we go, 22.0, and if I squeeze this, 23, 624. Okay, so I'm heating this up. This is our probe temperature here. Now this here would be our set temperature. So let's bring this down. I know I can get the probe up to 27. So I'm going to let this thing cool down a bit. Okay, I'm going to put this down to 27. And let's see if we can get the relay to click. I don't know if there's going to be like a little light or something. We shall see. Okay, 27.0. Going to hit set. Oh, is this the on and off? Might be an on and an off. But anyways, let's see. So right now, don't know if you'll be able to hear it. Probably not. Here it goes. 25, 26. I did not feel the relay click. Okay, what if it cools below? Maybe I'm in the set menu now. I'm not sure. Again, I haven't looked at the documentation for this. Just trying to make it up as I go along. Oh, it just clicked. Okay, and the light comes on there. Weird. The set gives you a... I'm not sure. Huh. Let me see if I can see how this thing works specifically. Okay, I checked out the website. You press it... First of all, just pressing set moves the set temperature really quickly into, whatever settings. It scrolls through a bunch of temperatures that are commonly used that the board has been set to. So yeah, it's just faster to adjust it, but you can also use these to adjust it, manually. Then if you press and hold set, you get a bunch of menu options. So you got cooling and heating on P0. So cooling means it'll be on below the temperature that is set. Heating means it'll be switched on above the temperature that's set. P1, that is the hysteresis. So it'll, let's say if it's on heat, it'll heat up until it hits 2 degrees in this case. It's set to 2 degrees over the set point, and then it'll shut off. Or vice versa. Yeah, anyways, 2 degrees of hysteresis. P2 is your calibration. P3 is how long it'll run before it turns off. That is settable in minutes. P4 is how long it'll wait to turn on in minutes. And P5 is to lock out the controls so that nobody can go and change the set points without coming back into the menu. So yeah, this thing is fully featured, and for what, $5? That's pretty good. I can definitely see some projects where we can put this into play, especially the tech projects. Next one up is this one. This is definitely a kit. I see parts strewn all over, but what is it? I don't know. Once I get it open, I can go sneak off and check the website. So I got thermal grease, got a board. Oh, I think I recognize these round patterns. Says hi-fi. I think this is a tube amplifier. Yeah. Oh. This is a tube amplifier kit. Wow. This is going to be so fun. So, yeah, I don't think, I'm not expecting this to be super high quality sounding, but it'll definitely be cool looking. Look at that. These little ceramic sockets for the tubes. And the tubes themselves, I'll see if I can get you a close up look at those. Hopefully they're not broken. They seem okay. 6J1, 826J1. It's so funny because I have an upcoming podcast guest, which I don't want to name, but we talk about vacuum tubes. And literally the day after, I get this in the mail. This is going to be fun. You guys are going to have to leave it down in the comments. Is this going to be a live stream? Or is this going to be a video? That is so cool. But is this a bridge rectifier? It is a bridge rectifier. So is this mains powered? There's audio. It is mains powered. 18, no, it's not mains. Okay, 18 volts AC. Oh no, I have to source an AC adapter. This thing is so cool. Actually, you know what? You don't need an AC adapter because it goes through a bridge rectifier. I don't think I'll need an AC adapter. Wow. That's going to be cool. Nice piece of vintagey looking glowy tech that I get to put together myself. That is awesome. Yep. Oh, I can't wait. And last one up, this seems like another kit. I see a ton of, how much soldering am I going to have to do? I see a lot of components here. Oh, like reels. Uh-oh, what did I get myself into? Okay, it clearly has a case. Acrylic, laser cut. I have no idea, but it looks like every single one of these points will have to be soldered. I don't know what I got myself into here. Let's see. Okay, well, first and foremost, it comes with a lithium battery. So that's good. Got 2 chips here. I'm guessing ULN 2003, because that's what it says here and here. 74HC959 shift registered. I don't know what this is. There's USB. There's a little 8-pin dealie. Oh yeah, look at this. Oh, a big guy here. ST Micro, just loose in the bag. What are these? Oh god. These are LEDs. What have I done? These are like... Oh no. Maybe... 0603 LEDs? There's a crystal. Yeah, but it could be the oscillator for this. I don't know, guys. They're 0805, okay. Times 32 times 390. No, they are 0603. Oh no, there's 390 of whatever this is. That's like LEDs or something. Oh. It's a clock. This is a clock kit. Holy crap. Oh my god. 390. That means that's nearly 800 solder joints for only the LEDs. Wow. And if you're thinking solder paste, that still won't work because I don't have a stencil, so it'll be almost as fast. This is going to be a heck of a project. This is going to be something I'm going to have to chip away at over the course of, several weeks. This is the right level of crazy. That's incredible. I'm not sure if this is something I asked for or if this is just something they sent, because when ICStation contacted me, they're just like, yeah, we got some stuff we want to send. Is there anything you want? And I went through the site real quick and picked up a couple things, but I don't think this was it. That is nuts. So each one of these is 300 and there's 390 LEDs. Oh my god, they're polarized. I'm going to have to keep them all in the same direction. This is nuts. If you are looking for a project for a rainy day, this is it. Wow. And this is it. I'm actually really impressed. Not a single one of these items, are disappointing. Everything here is going to be interesting enough to merit their own play. So that's going to be awesome. Look forward to these videos. It's very strange because now that I have more time, I find myself recording more stuff and I have more stuff that I need to edit. So expect more videos in the upcoming weeks. Either enjoy it or don't. But really, thank you to ICStation for sending me these things, and I hope you guys will tune in to the next one. Thanks for watching.